welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, since Christmas is coming soon, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make DIY Christmas cards. So as you can see, I have a couple here, but I'm gonna be teaching you how to paint each and every single one of them. This is gonna be a 3-part tutorial, so I hope you can stay tuned and visit all 3 videos. So without further ado, let's start.
So we will start off with the Christmas tree holiday card. We will use both brushes. These are both number 4 round brushes by Raphael and Scrivo Professional Series. For the colors, we will be using this shade of green, but I will be using also this shade of brown, so I will be mixing both colors later on so I can get the desired shade of green that I want. Now I am pre-wetting the brush, and I will start to mix the colors green and brown. We will start off with the tip of the Christmas tree, and as you can see, I'm going to be painting super small thin lines, and I'm going to be dragging my brush left and right across the page. So it's okay if some of the lines meet or crisscross amongst each other, that's okay. Also, you can try to leave a couple of white spaces in between so we can create depth for our tree. When painting the thin, wispy lines, you have to make sure that your lines grow longer and longer as you move down the page. Also, your Christmas tree needs to form an entire triangular shape. When painting your lines, you can actually mix colors to make different shades of green. You can add a little bit of yellow to make your green lighter, or you can add a little bit of brown or black to make your greens darker. As you can see, my Christmas tree has different shades of green to create a little bit of depth, and at the same time, it looks a little bit fun. Now I am almost done with the first layer of our Christmas tree, and I'm finishing off the base part. Now just a few more lines to finish off the first layer of our tree. And now I will proceed to painting the trunk of the tree. Now I'm using a little bit of brown on my brush, and I will try to paint small vertical lines to create the trunk or the base of our Christmas tree. Once you are done with the outline of the trunk, you have to fill in a few more vertical lines inside it to give it a little bit of depth. Also, as you can see, I am connecting and painting a little bit of brown lines inside the tree to connect the trunk all together. Now we proceed with painting the top part of our Christmas tree. As you can see, I am using this bright yellow to create a star on top of our tree. So now I'm just finishing off the entire tree with a few more highlights to make our Christmas tree look fuller. So now we are finally done with our Christmas holiday card.
So congratulations in making your first holiday card. I hope you learned a lot from me today, and I hope you can stay tuned for more tutorials in the future. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and of course, please comment down below. So I hope I can see you again in the future. Again, till next time, bye!